Microsoft Word. So you will observe the page and the default tab will be on home. However, if you want to enter into the equation writing format, you need to press this Alt and plus key together. I want to point out towards the fact that the students who will be attempting to solve their assignment via mobile phone, they will not be able to write equations in mobile. So it is recommended for mathematics to use either their laptops or their personal computers. So if you will press Alt and plus tab together, the word will allow you to enter into equation inserting format. Let me show it to you. First, let me increase the font size so that it will be much visible to you. Okay, when I will press Alt and plus, see this, a box will appear like this, and you will see a tab of design over here, where you can select many of the symbols used in mathematics. For students of class 9, you can use this theta used in trigonometry, or you can use these Greek letters mu, similarly pi, rho, which are used in mathematics. You can also use union and intersection. For writing chemical equations, you can use these arrows. You can use these symbols, not equal to, multiply and divide, etc. And here is the symbol of direct or inverse proportion. You use this symbol to represent direct and inverse proportion. If you want to change these options, you can click on this arrow and enter a drop down menu where you can see different sort of scripts and geometry. For example, when you will enter in this option geometry, it is giving you an option of making a right angle triangle to represent an angle. Similarly, if you want to use Greek letters, which are mostly used in physics, so here it has given the sets of Greek alphabets. If you want to change the format and you want to write the fraction, you can enter this format or this format. It will be up to your choice whether to choose which one. Similarly, if you want to write square roots, here you can see it has representation of a square root and cube root and furthermore. Here you can see the brackets, the different types of brackets which are used in mathematics, and there are some other operators as well. So when you will press Alt and this plus sign together, you will observe this window. Let me write a fraction for you over here. When you will enter this, it will display these type of tabs. So now you can use your arrow keys, backward arrow key to go over here. And if you want to write in numerator, you can again press your backward arrow key to write in numerator. Now, when I will write X and a symbol cap, this symbol is displayed over here at the key, at the numeric key 6. So you need to use Shift and 6 to make the symbol square. When I will press space bar, it will automatically convert into x square minus 7x plus 12 and let it be x power. Now, if I want to write power in fraction, let's say 3/2, so I will use bracket, and then when I will press space, so it will make the power 3/2 plus 8x cube space again to make it power, minus 12 x. So in this way, you can write many equations and mathematical formulas which are used in physics and chemistry as well. Similarly, let me show you another example of it. If I want to write Greek letters such as rho equals to mass, I have used a slash upon volume, and when I will press space bar, it will automatically get converted into fraction. So you can also use the design tab to select the format, or you can use the slash bar as you have seen just over here by pressing the slash button. Let me show it again. When I will write m/v, and when I will press space bar, it will automatically get converted into this. So I hope that you have learned how to use this